Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. So today's topic of my video is online benefits versus offline harms. So guys, the main motive of my video today is to just express my opinion on online examination. That is it safe or it is unsafe? In my opinion, online examination is safe because the main worry that is to the government is mass cheating during online exam. But today in this video I will express some points that can prevent we also know that our government is also trying to just conduct our exams safely, but there is a big obstruction in front of us, that is COVID-19, and hence it is rising, so our exams are being postponed. But in my opinion, the exams should be conducted online only. Guys, today in this video I will explain some techniques to prevent online cheating in examinations. We are a developing nation and hence we have artificial intelligence which can prevent online cheating. So guys, there are total 5 ways of preventing online cheating in online examinations. Number 1, secure browser. If you secure browser, then it's easy to track and keep record on a child. Second way is remote proctoring. It's a very effective and accurate way to catch a child while copying. Third way is exam timer for each question. Suppose a question is not easier, the time should be more, and question is easier, the time should be less, and after that the question should be logged. And the fourth way is eye tracking. If a child keeps a book in front of him, then he will be catched very easily by eye tracking method. Fifth way is data inscription. It will help to make an identification of a child entering the examination. So guys, with this technique, online exams can be safe and accurate. Guys, I just want to say that if we can learn online, then why we can't give exam online? So guys, as per our education policy of 2020 and 21, 6% budget should be allocated from India's total budget to education. Still, only 2.6% is given in this year, and in the previous year it was just 3.2%. गाइस, ऑनलाइन एग्जाम कंडक्ट करने में जो पहली प्रॉब्लम आने वाली थी वो मैंने आपको सॉल्व करवा दी. सेकंड प्रॉब्लम इज नेटवर्क कनेक्टिविटी. माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, नेटवर्क कनेक्टिविटी इज नॉट अ वेरी बैड इशू बिकॉज इन सम पार्ट्स ओनली द नेटवर्क कनेक्टिविटी इज पुअर. अगर हम देखें तो हमारे यहाँ नेटवर्क कनेक्टिविटी फुल आती है और अच्छी भी चलती है, लेकिन अगर हम ट्राइबल पार्ट्स की बात करें तो वहाँ पे नेटवर्क कनेक्टिविटी लो है. लेकिन नेटवर्क कनेक्टिविटी ठीक करने के लिए हमारे बजट से जो फंड्स जाने चाहिए थे वो गए ही नहीं है. मतलब 6% में से ओनली 2.6% ओनली इट इज गिवन टू एजुकेशन. आई मीन nowadays online teaching is there, so it should be allocated to the particular area or particular tribal centers that they will be very efficient in their online exams. But unfortunately there is no very overwhelming facilities in that area. But if we think that area students can be taken to another school or another city or another area in which there are many Wi-Fi's or many network connectivities that will help them to conduct their online examination. So this question is also solved. Guys, there are total 2 problems and I have given the solutions for all the 2 problems. So online examination is totally safe and secure. I have just explained my opinion. So if your opinions are different, then please comment in the comment section. The main motive of my video is not to only just get likes. If you really like my video, then please like. But if you think I'm wrong somewhere, then just comment in the comment section. Thank you. If you really like my video, then please hit the like button. Just comment in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.